Welcome to INEHub, your trusted partner in success. Let's dive into the exciting BinanceSeason Christmas Event and explore how you can win big this holiday season. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Get ready for the holiday season with Binance. Introducing BinanceSeason. Decorate your Binance Garden this Christmas, a fun and festive way to celebrate and win big. From December 18 to December 25, join the Binance Christmas campaign and decorate your virtual Binance Garden. As you participate, you'll have the chance to share a jaw-dropping prize pool of 200,000 BNB. Here's how it works. 1. Complete simple daily tasks to collect Christmas-themed decorations for your Binance Garden. With every decoration added, watch your garden transform into a beautiful winter wonderland. 3. The more you decorate, the higher your chances of winning amazing rewards. Don't forget, you need to have a verified Binance account to participate. Make sure your account is ready before the festivities begin. With rewards like BNB, exclusive gifts, and more surprises, Binance is making this holiday season truly unforgettable for the crypto community. So, what are you waiting for? Head to Binance, decorate your garden, and celebrate the joy of Christmas while earning exciting prizes. Join the BinanceSeason today, and let's make this holiday season brighter together. Stay connected with INEHub for more updates, tips, and exciting opportunities in the world of online success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy holidays from INEHub.